we just landed in Orlando. Now we can start our Christmas family vacation. She wanna be on camera so bad, but yeah. So I'm excited. We're going to Universal Studios for Christmas. That's my type, okay?
Okay guys, we're at the Holiday Inn Resort Water Park, and it's lit. It used to be a Nickelodeon water park, but now it's owned by Holiday Inn or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do a room tour. Y'all know how I do. We got a window, period pool that's out front. We're on the first floor. You come in, this is the connecting room door. This is the living room. There's a TV, and our stuff is everywhere. I'm sorry, guys. Little sitting area, desk. Ooh, little kitchenette, sink, Keurig microwave, little fridge, and we have the bathroom. Nice size bathroom. Shower, normal, nothing extra, but this is so cute. It's cute. It's me. Y'all know how I do with the mirror. And then there's a little area right here. Now we're off to the rooms. This is our room. There's no door, but here's a little storage area. So it's a kid room. This is a nice family-friendly place. And this is the bed. Looks like a full. And here's my bed. Looks like a twin. It's a bunk bed. A little light up there. Look at the little cute storage area again. TV. And a little table over here. And more storage under the bed. But yeah, this is a kid-friendly place because this is a water park resort, like I mentioned before. Many families come here, so this is a nice, affordable option. And we have my parents' room. Hey guys.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Closet. Just mirror. And then we have a desk over here. Little TV. Another mirror. Storage. Sorry, I'm trying to make this quick. Queen size bed. Or king, I don't know. Window. Cute. We're at the Cheesecake Factory. Not the Cheesecake Factory. The Rainforest Cafe. We don't have good seats, so we're not even near any of the animals. But it's all good. It's still a vibe, period. There used to be a Rainforest Cafe in Maryland, but it's not anymore, so I'm happy to see one.
This is one of my favorite places to come. Disney Springs. It's a nice little shopping center in the middle of Disney. So many stores, so many places to eat. And it's just really nice.
Look at these hats. My dad keep waiting for me like I'm 5. He's like, can you hurry up?
It's been raining since we got here. We are exhausted. We literally flew here, went to the hotel, which is really nice. And then we went to eat. And now we're headed to the hotel to go to sleep. We're tired.
This is a mini golf course at our hotel. Here's the water park, one of the pools that they have. See these slides? Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it's cold. So I don't foresee myself getting in this water. It's like 70 degrees, but it's windy, like, and I have spaghetti straps on, like I'm cold. Basketball area. So nice. Y'all, these slides were so fun. Me and my niece had a blast. That's fancy. That's bougie.